Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will see 3 questions on upper and lower bound. I have made videos on it before, but I have been requested to make few more. So all 3 are of different types, so I hope it will help you to clear out your doubts. So let's just start with this question. Zoo weighs 62 kg, corrected to the nearest kilometer. Anu's weight is 84 kg, corrected to the nearest kilogram. Now, when it is talking about nearest kilogram, it means about 1 unit. So, 1 unit means 1 divided by 2. So, divided by 2 is always there. It depends corrected to what. If the same question was given corrected to 1 decimal place, then I would have taken 0.1 divided by 2. Right. So, at the moment it is corrected to the nearest kilometer. So, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So 0.5 I will subtract or add to get the lower and upper bound. So in first part of the question is talking about upper bound for Zoo's weight. So Zoo's weight is 62 kg. If I add 0.5 in it, it will become 62.5. If I subtract 0.5, it will become 61.5. So this is your upper bound and this is your lower bound. So I have to answer upper bound right now. So I will write here 62.5 kg. Okay. Write down the lower bound for the weight of Anu. So Anu's weight is 85 kg. And this one is also corrected to the nearest kilogram. So the same limits will be used as upper and lower bound addition. So it will be 0.5. So if I minus 0.5 from it, it will be 84.5, and if I add, it will be 85.5. But the question is asking for lower bound, so I will write here 84.5 kg. Now the next part of the question, this is tricky question. You have to work out the upper bound for the difference between Zoo's and Anu's weight. So basically, you have to find the maximum value for the difference. Now, let's see here. If I do, just a minute. Okay. See, the weight wise, the Anu's weight is more, right? So for the difference, I am taking Anu minus Zoe weight. Because the answer I am looking for is higher side, right? Now pay attention what I am saying. I want the answer of this after subtraction on the higher side. So my this value should be bigger and my this value, Zoo's value should be smallest. Why? Because big minus small will be the biggest answer. If the same question was saying work out the lower bound for the difference, right? This is extra I'm explaining here. If the question was about the lower bound for the difference, then I would have taken difference by keeping this smallest, Anu's weight is smallest, and Zoo's weight largest or biggest. Because small minus big will give me a small answer overall, right? So coming back to the upper bound difference, Anu's biggest or largest weight is 85.5, which I will write here. Let me change the color. 85.5. And Zoo's smallest weight is this one, 61.5. So this is I will subtract to get the upper bound for the difference, or in other words I can say the largest difference between the two weights. So let's use calculator. If you are good at mental maths, fine. Otherwise use calculator. You can do it on paper also without a calculator. So it is 24 kg. Okay, this is the largest. If the question was asking about work out the lower bound for the difference, then I would have taken Anu's smallest. Anu's smallest is 84.5 and Zoo's largest is 62.5. right? So this will be 22 kg. So this is how you find the difference, upper bound or lower bound, or I can say largest value of the difference or smallest value of the difference. I hope you understood. If you did not, or if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. Now let's see this question. Y value is given to you 1.8 and it is corrected to 1 decimal place. Again, 1 decimal place mean I will divide 0.1 by 2. Answer is 0.05. This is I will add or subtract in the value. So if you see 1.8, if I have to find the upper bound of it, it will be 1.85 and lower bound will be 1.75 because I am subtracting 0.05 from 1.8. Now question is saying find the lower bound for this expression. So expression is 4y plus 1. I want the smallest answer of this according to the question. So definitely I will take the smallest value of y, which is this 1.75. And then I will simply solve it. 4 times 1.75 plus 1. So your answer is 8. If the same question was saying calculate the upper bound for the value, then in place of y, I would have taken what? Which value of y I would have taken? 1.85. Right? This is not in the question. I'm just doing it to explain it to you. So this will be 8.4. Let me check on the calculator. Is it correct? The calculation 4 times 1.85, 7.4 plus 1 is 8.4. Right. Okay. Now the last question.